Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to show you that how can we take trades according to the market situation. And now you can see here, although you can see here one thing, the market is a very much ranging market here. Now you can see, so I'm also taking trades in these lines because we know that what are the next levels. So you can see I took my trade here and I won this one. So let me show you here another trade. So I need to analyze the market here. Now you can see here market is trying to go up. Okay, so if we analyze the market here, you can see here overall the trend is going up, and for me the next reversal area is far away. It is this one, or the next level is this one. So after this candlestick I can easily go here with the buyers, because after this breakout I can go here easily with the buyers. So I have taken my trade in an up direction. Now you will see here, you can see after this breakout of the level, you can see here I'm seeing here a breakout and then a new high and a continuation sign, and the next seller's entry point is far away. So you can see here the next entry point is far away, so the candle needs to go up and it will close here as a bullish candlestick. So we will win definitely this trade, there is no doubt about it. So it will get a rejection and it will go up. I'm not worried about this candlestick at all. After this candlestick again I can go here with the buyer's candle. So I will wait here. Okay, you can see a strong buying pressure from the lower side, and now you can see here, okay, I can go again with the buyers. Again you can see here this pressure from the trend line is an indication that buyers are strong, so they will push the market up. Sellers are here, round number is here, still there is a gap, and you can also see the main levels are here. So because of that the market needs to go up and it has to close as a bullish. Okay, let's see what happens here. So we need to analyze the market to win the trades, and this is what I am trying to tell you all. You need to analyze and focus on the market. Okay, so now let's see. So where is the trend? Okay, where is the, okay, now you can see again a strong buyer's candle. So I think there is no, let me see, check this one. Okay, there is no round numbers, so therefore the next candle will also go down, because I am not seeing any kind of rejection from the round number. Round number is above here, so the market will definitely go up and it has to again close as a bullish, because our levels are far away from this zone. Okay, so market is getting the rejection also exactly from the round number. So why it is not showing to me? When I zoom out it is showing to me, but no issues, we will win here with a small candle. Okay, no issues. Now I want to check that where market closed. So AUD and ZD, I need a good rejection. Okay, I can go here with the buyers. Again I have taken my trade in an up direction because this candle closed above the round number. So you can see this is the round number and 490 is the price. So it needs to go up because this is the level. So this is a huge rejection from the buyers, and there is no level, so it is a sign of continuation, so therefore the next candle needs to go up. So let's see what happens here. For me, the next candle will also go up and it has to close as a bullish candlestick. I am getting the ITMs again and again, but I only prefer that we are analyzing the market properly. So market needs to go up again, it has to close. Okay, again I got here the same thing. So okay, now you can see here, if you check the story here, now you can see it was a bullish momentum, sellers enters, but now this time no buyers. So what does it means? It means that market can also go down, so you need to wait to get a proper situation here. Now okay, so market got the rejection from this point. Okay, so for the buyer's entry point, my next level will be this one. So I need to wait. If this candle closes here, if this candle closes here as a bearish, I can easily go here with the sellers. So you will see here a winning trade. So I have taken my trade in a down direction. So now you can see here I have analyzed the market properly here, because what market is telling me that from this point there is no level and it is a huge candlestick. So because of that, market needs to come down again and it has to close as a bearish, because the round number is here, the trend line is here. So because of that, market needs to come down again. So I will wait here and we will see what happens here. We can get here a huge rejection from the upper side. It has to come down again. It has to get a big rejection and it has to close as a bearish. Okay, I'm confident that the candle needs to come down and it has to close below our entry point. So let's see. Okay, I can again go here with the buyers confidently. So I have taken my trade here, so you will see a winning trade again. You can see here it is an engulfing candlestick, it is an uptrend, it is making a new high, level is far away, level is here, so therefore we can expect here a buyer's entry easily. So in the middle of the trend you can see market reverse, not reaching to this level. So these are the confirmations and you can go here with the buyers. Okay, so after this candlestick, what I need to do? Okay, I can go. Okay, so now again I can. Okay, a bad entry, but yes, market will definitely go up. Still, I can get here a small bullish candle. So the main level is here. You can see a rejection. So again I can get here a small candlestick, small bullish candlestick. So you will see here we will definitely win this trade also. You can see market is going up. Okay, so the next level will be here, so I need to wait. Okay, now you can see here market went up, so I need to check the level here. Okay, again I can get here a bullish candle, So I need a good entry one, but I'm late. The level is here and the level is this trend line. So again the market will close here as a bullish. So I am late. I was analyzing the market by seeing the past levels, by seeing the main areas. So now you can see market is again going up. So I need to analyze the market again. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, so I have 19 seconds, so I need to check the level. Okay, I can go here with the sellers. I have taken one trade in a down direction, and now you will see here the candle will definitely close below my entry point here. So it is a short or we will get here a doji, but there is no doubt that market will make a bullish candle, it will make a bearish or doji candle, because this is the level. So now you can see here I can easily win this trade also. Okay, so we will get here. Okay, I got here, and okay, I can go here with the buyers. Again the same theory here. You can see at this level we can expect a seller's entry, but there are no sellers, a doji candle. It means that these strong buyers will get the benefit of this candle and the market will close as a bullish here. Okay, it needs to go up and it will make here a bullish candle. So let's see. Okay, so this will be my last trade, and after this trade I'm going to conclude my trading session and I will disconnect and discontinue my trading session. So again a late entry, but we will get here a good winning trade, so no issues. I got here an OTM, so no issues. I will get again because of the late entry point. I got the OTM, but now again I will get here a bullish candle. So this time I will get an ATM or ITM, there is no doubt about it. Okay, let's see what happens here, and this will be my last trade this time. So okay, market is going up and you can see here we are winning this trade here also. Okay, so I will take another trade for you all, and then I am going to show you all my trading history. So let's see. Okay, okay, so my next reversal point will be this one, otherwise market will continue. Okay, and the next level is here, this level, so I need to wait. Okay, I can go here with the sellers confidently. Now you will see here market will hit this area for sure, but you can see it is a reversal candle at the level, and now you can see still there is a gap to the level, and the level is very important here. So after closing this candlestick I am going to show you that how I got my results by taking these trades, and I want to show you all that I got one OTM because of my late entry. Otherwise there was only one loss during this session. So you can see again I won this trade, and now you can see here this is my trading history. I lost this trade here only because of late entry. This was because of the late entry. Otherwise this was the only loss which I got in this session. I took here, let me show you here, I took here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 trades, and in these 12 trades I only lost this one. I cannot say this was my mistake. Because of late entry I got this OTM, but I recovered here. So because of this you can see I easily won my trades. So you need to trade like this, try to help each other, and if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Bye for now, have a blessed day ahead, and try to help each other. And you can subscribe our channel Trading Skills, and you can join our group Trading Skills in Telegram. So try to help each other. Bye for now, stay blessed you all, bye.